Khatun भने थियो and this was and what you prefer man well this you can call me Sallu and okay nice and he's give me green sleeve I can't give myself and then I was just shaking and say officer I'm shaking no don't worry calm down thank you so much sir and I was waiting there and it's on my password you want your password no sorry
running away now with a very wonderful
multi-talented
okay we are now with a very wonderful and beautiful girl who just got a visa Salina Khatun.
Yes, sir.
And very multi-talented, right?
Yeah.
And so she just got a visa, and she's got all its backpacks, and she's ready. She just, came from her home. Okay, so you guys can come in and keep the door open, okay? And yes, and she just came here from her home with her sister and family members. She's gonna go to the international airport directly from Pokhara airport to Kathmandu, and today we want to congratulate her. This is Salina. She'll be going to America tonight, and she'll be there tomorrow in Chicago airport. From Chicago, she's gonna go to Minnesota. Congratulations, Sumaya.
She's busy.
All right, come on in. Okay, come on. What's up? This is our sister again. She's also gonna go to America after a few months ago. So, all right, congratulations,
Thank
Salina.
you, sir.
So tell us about your experience, what you felt, and all those. Yeah, this is American flag for you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
First my like I was there and alikiti heartbeat first like nervous भइरा थिए
Yes.
and there is like त्यति धेरै पर्सन नि थिएन कि like अलि थोरै थोरै खालको मान्छेहरु थियो अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ गएमा अनि there is a 5 officer and 1 Indian and 4 tourists and गए and I was like please Indian सँग नपरोस् because like he rejected all के कसैलाई नि like green slip दिएको थिएन अनि मेरो टर्न आयो अनि I was अलिकति प्लिज नपरोस् अनि देन टुरिस्ट सँग पढे अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ अनि बट उता भ्याएर चाहिँ एकजना मलाई फेरि त्यही इन्डियनकोमा राखिदियो के अनि जुन म भन्दा अगाडिको पर्सन थियो उसको पनि बिजनेसको थियो उसलाई पनि काट्दियो हैन अनि आई वाज सो नर्भस अनि म गएँ अनि चाहिँ आफ्टरनुन थियो अनि चाहिँ hello officer good afternoon how are you doing sir and he said oh I'm doing great what about you and I'm doing great sir भन्थे अनि पासपोर्ट भन्यो नि hey you go भने दिए अनि त्यसै what's your name भन्थे अनि मैले Salina Khatun भने थियो and this was अनि what you prefer भन्यो अनि well you can call me Sallu भने okay nice outfit भन्यो मैले thank you are you Muslim भने yeah भने अनि actually Muslim girls are so beautiful भन्थे हैन अनि आउँछ is big compliment भने अनि त्यसपछि यसरी हेरेको अनि त्यसपछि why this major भने अनि like I want to help my family businesses and why not Nepal भने चाहिँ अनि Nepal economic is growing rapidly but the education system does not provide same hands-on opportunities so I have to go there and bring skills and advanced knowledge to contribute to my family businesses here it's really impressive भन्थे अनि okay thank you sir and then Nepal मा पनि like hands-on opportunities हरु छ त no sir there is not hands-on opportunities I have explored so many universities and colleges and but to comparison US I choose US because I really want to help my family businesses and I'm deeply motivated to support my family businesses and oh really impressive welcome to America Salina and he's give me green sleeve I can't give myself and then I was just shaking and say officer I'm shaking no don't worry calm down thank you so much sir and I was waiting there and it's on my password you want your password no sorry running away and everyone's like congratulations I was
okay and you called me
yeah so I got my visa.
Okay, great, Salina. I'm very, very happy for you, and I'm gonna send this video to your university to Michael Kuruski.
Okay,
I'm
sir.
gonna tell him that my student is coming now.
He helped me a lot of like I emailed him and he answered all the email.
Okay.
And he helped me a lot, sir.
Okay, great, and she's very grateful, Michael, if you're watching now. And yeah, so how do you feel about Beyond?
I'm just scrolling on TikTok and I have seen some videos, but. My sister suggests me to go there and apply.
First one, we are a counselor.
Yeah, and she suggests me to please go there, and there is so many American tourists, and like they help me.
Okay, great. Greek sort of verify Salina, you're going to get your visa online.
Yeah,
it's a very hard working student. Memorize.
Yeah.
On this was Greek sort of class.
Yeah, and he said me okay. You got
very
your
good.
visa.
I'm very happy for you. And so, yeah, let's start. This is a token of love for you.
Okay, thank you, sir. के allowed छ sir यो?
Yeah.
Allowed छ.
Yeah, allowed, son.
Okay.
This is a gift for you.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's start with cake. Okay. All right. माथि नै राखिराखेको त्यो flag.
Okay.
केही छ मेरो क्वेशनहरु छ भने you can ask her a question.
Okay.
And if you're trying to go to Southeast Minnesota, she's the one you can count on as your best friend. Anyone watching from Southeast Minnesota, SMS you. She's gonna come now. The winner is in. She's gonna come there. कस्तो खालको साथी चाहिन्छ भन्नु न
अलि चबी चबी गुड हार्ट बिचिङ नगर्ने टाइपको त्यस्तो खाले मोटी मोटी सफ्ट हार्टेड हुन्छ के सर
त्यस्तो खालको कोसिस
प्लिज कम टु मी
त्यस्तो कोही साथी छ भने मिनिसोटामा साउथ-ईस्ट मिनिसोटा शी इज द वान शी वान्ट्स टु बी योर फ्रेन्ड विथ अलराइट कंग्रेचुलेसन अगेन
ओके सर
खै सो म यहाँ कम ओभर
योले त काट्दैन सर
ल बधाई छ तिमीलाई
थ्यांक यू सर
बाटोमा जाँदै छ के अरु भने झोला तल छ
या मेरो चाहिँ लगेज तल छ
बेलुका 5 बजेको फ्लाइट
पैसा बढिरहेछ सर आको 500 मा 3000 पुग्यो होला सर मेबी
म अल राम्रो के खुवाउँछु म स्पोन्सर आउँदै ओके ल सुमया या सलिना सुमयालाई दिन्छ आउ न दिदीको
ओके as I told you I apply something
सुमयालाई दिन्छु म because she's me gonna miss you she's gonna just almost cry but this is good cry
inside cry
yeah so त्यो राम्रै हो because oh I'm sorry you need to be ठीक छ एयरपोर्ट जाँदै छौ great so अरु केही छ anything else you have that you want to say lastly because you're going to go you have a friend she's already in Kathmandu waiting for her you know
yeah
so
be confident हैन डराउने हैन साथी हो डराए भने चाहिँ काम छैन उनीहरुले चाहिँ अनि लाइक अब हामी बोलेछौं नि लिटरली मैले चाहिँ त्यहाँ 50 ओभर इन्टरभ्यूहरु देखे अब्जर्भ पनि गरेथे हैन बट कस्तोले पाथे भन्दाखेरि जो नन स्टप बोलेछ अनि जब तिनीहरुले टाइपिङ गर्न लाए सोच त्यसले एलोचिट दिन लाग्यो अनि आई मिन कतिले चाहिँ टाइपिङ गर्दै दिइराखे थियो हैन के अब उनीहरुले के क्वेशन सोध्छ तिमीहरुलाई लाइक अब जस्तो कि अब मेजर सोध्यो नि अब मेजरमा के सोध्दा अब एन्सर भ्याइयो बट अब स्टप त हुनु पर्यो किनभने उले नेक्स्ट क्वेशन त सोधे छैनन् बट त्यस्तो नगर हैन कन्टिन्युअसली बोल अब नेपालको बारेमा इकोनोमिकको बारेमा भन त्यो एजुकेसन युएस को एजुकेसन चाहिँ रियली इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ हामीलाई त्यो चीज चाहिँ राख्न सक्यो भने चाहिँ भिजा चाहिँ आउँछ त्यो चीज चाहिँ राख्न सक्नुपर्छ उनीहरुले बोल्यो भनेर चुप्प लाएर अब क्वेशन सक्यो हाम्रो एन्सर सक्यो अब हामीले त प्रिफर गरेर जान्छ नि त अभियसली हामी त्यति जिनियस त छैन हैन अब आउनलाई हामीले याद गरेको एन्सर भन्दा पनि अब हामीले त धेरै कुराहरु सोधेछ नि त याद गरेको हुन्छ नि त अरु क्वेशनहरु पनि आफै बोल्दियो के लाइक आई रियली नीड द एजुकेसन हैन आई ब्रिङ यो त्यो अनि आई एम डीपली मोटिभेटेड टु हेल्प माई फ्यामिली बिजनेसेस या कुन मेजरमा गछ त्यसको बारे चाहिँ अलिकति रिसर्च गरेर कन्टिन्युअसली बोल्दियो स्योर दिन्छ एन्ड विथ स्माइल आई मेन चाहिँ स्माइल चाहिने रहेछ सर लाइक अलिकति कन्फिडेन्ट ल्याक भयो भने चाहिँ फेसबाटै थाहा हुने रहेछ विथ कन्फिडेन्ट हँसाउने कोसिस गरेर मजाले बोल्नुपर्छ स्योर आयो भिजा त्यति हो म चाहिँ त्यही भन्छु कन्दै भन्दा पनि अलिकति त्यो चाहिँ गर त्यहाँ चाहिँ उलाई चाहिँ स्टप हुन नदियो
Okay, happy journey for you.
Thank you.
Pray for you.
Thank you, sir.
This is a great blessing for you from God.
Yeah, sir. Actually, my class में start भइसक्यो.
Yeah, class start पनि भइसक्यो अनि उलाई January August को defer गर भन्दा थियो Michael ले हैन. अनि but I told him, I mean I didn't tell him anything but Michael सँग चाहिँ नि उसको कुरा भइराखेको छ सल्लाहको and if they say yes, consult with your agent and Suraj thing and with your dad and mom and if they say yes, you come. Yeah. I said yes and you know she's gonna make it.
I just pay yesterday. Subway University
and then just हिजो पेमेन्ट गरेर एकदमै रस म चाहिँ थियो हिजै पासपोर्ट कलेक्ट गरेको
या हिजै म सरी यो लिएर आउँछ पासपोर्ट नि हिजै ल्याएको आज आएको भए नि जानु पाउँथेन होला
ओके या अनि फ्लाइट पनि फेरि भन न 29 आवर्स भित्र पुर्याउने खालको फ्लाइट बुक गरेको के त्यस्तो र्यापिड फ्लाइट हैन सो वी जस्ट मेड इट आई एम भेरी ह्याप्पी एन्ड भेरी प्राउड अफ यु Salina.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, let's get a few pictures and we'll wrap it up.